Joanna has enough colors made up for me that I can make this a painting day. There's several colors here, and some of them are the final colors and gloss. We finished these last week. 3 sleepy eyes and that big panther. It's a beautiful day here at Frog Pond School. I'll be getting this up on the table for long. I have the molds made, and this mold was to replace this section from here to here. And I made one right here just to replace a little section right here. Yeah, today's a painting day. This is some mocha banded creamware and yellowware that is up for process next. And we work on Roseville, Hull, Weller, Brookwood, all kinds of stuff. Repairing pottery is so much fun. Now we repair any kind. Anything that anybody has broken, we'll give it a whirl. And so far we've done pretty good over the years. Not to mean that everybody should. You can specialize in one type of pottery and become a super expert at it within a year or so. But we work on anything. Stoneware, just anything. We have customers all over the world. Took a while to get the customer base and all, but it's been really fun. And we've been doing this for almost 30 years. Joanna got this little pet project out this morning. Bye for now.